back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious fish tacos cooked in the air fryer. Healthy, delicious, but first things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start first making the mixture of the eggs. 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of the spices, which are smoked paprika, salt to taste, garlic powder, black pepper. Look at this. I am going to mix everything really well before I added only 1 tablespoon into the egg mixture. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, the all-purpose flour. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and I'm going to add the rest of the spices. Mix very well, and then this is the second. We're going for the third step. The third step is Italian breadcrumbs. 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. This is ready. Of course, the air fryer. And here I have the all-purpose flour with the spices. I have the egg with the spices and half a cup of milk. And I have the Italian breadcrumbs. We are ready to go. Here I have my tilapia fish. It's fresh, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut it through the center. Slice it. And look how easy this is. Look at the strips I made. I am ready to start coat the fish really good. Look at this. Look at the steps. 2 times in the all-purpose flour mixture, 2 times in the egg mixture, and 1 time in the breadcrumbs. When you add it into the breadcrumbs, press it down. You want the breadcrumbs to really stick into the pieces of fish. Look at this. Put it aside and continue doing the same thing. First, the all-purpose flour, the egg, the all-purpose flour, the egg, and then breadcrumbs. Let me tell you, this fish really comes out nice and crispy from the outside, but yet really moist and delicious from the inside. From close up. Remember, I want you to make this amazing fish tacos made at home with lots of love, because I know you guys cook delicious food just like Cooking with Gloria. And here, let me show you. This is very easy, and this is going to be a very healthy version. A very healthy version of a delicious homemade fish taco. If you love tacos like I do, you're going to love this recipe. My air fryer, 375. I'm going to give it 30 minutes. Of course, it could be less, but I'm going to add 30 minutes. And then I am ready to show you how we are going to start preparing our fish. Once it's coated, these are the liners that I'm going to use, so I don't make a mess and I have nothing else to clean. Look at this. I have the liners for the air fryer. I bought them at Amazon. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom. And then I am ready to lay the pieces of fish inside. The air fryer is getting nice and hot. And I'm ready to just lay my pieces of fish inside. And I'm going to just add a little bit of the vegetable oil on the top. Very little. We don't need too much. And then this is done. Let's put it inside of our air fryer. Cover it. 10 minutes later, we are going to flip them. Let's close the lid and let's leave it like that for 10 minutes. The air fryer is going to make our job so easy, but yet this fish comes out amazing, family. Well, that's almost done. The fish is almost done. I'm gonna prepare my tortillas. I'm adding some mozzarella cheese on top of the tortilla, and I'm gonna get the mozzarella cheese nice and crispy. You know I love cheese. Everything with cheese tastes better. And here the tortillas are done. The cheese is nice and crispy. And now I am ready to go check on my fish. I hope the fish is ready because I can't wait to enjoy an amazing homemade fish taco. Look at this. Look how crispy they are. I'm not kidding when they say they're crispy. They're really nice and hot. And I'm really going to enjoy these amazing fish tacos. Your mouth is watering? Make these amazing tacos. I'm telling you. And now all the ingredients are here. I have my tortillas with the cheese. I have my Mexican chili oil that you already have on my channel. I have the perfect picadillo that you already have on my channel. Step by step, how to make it. And of course, our #1 recipe, the coated fish. Now I'm ready. I am so ready to prepare these tacos. You don't need too much. They look nice and simple. Adding my, of course, cheap Mexican chili oil, and I'm ready to enjoy. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. And if your mouth is watering, believe me, make these amazing tacos at home. They come out delicious every time. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Friends, I am completely done with these amazing air fried fish tacos with a pico de gallo that you already have on my channel. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added some chili oil made at home with lots of love, and you have that recipe on my channel. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this amazing taco. Excuse me. Delicious. Let me tell you, the fish is really crispy from the outside, but yet from the inside, it's so moist and delicious. And the combination of the pico de gallo inside this taco, just amazing. If you love tacos like I do, especially fish tacos, this is an amazing recipe. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing fish taco made at home with lots of love. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push the notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing fish tacos. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.